So on your packet in the second page, you have this sheet that has these little boxes. In each one, there's two equations, systems of equations. Some of them are in standard regular form, y equals mx plus b, and then like number 2 are in standard form. So we have to change the standard form to y equals mx plus b like we did yesterday on that worksheet. So that's what you're going to use your notebook paper for, okay? So anytime you have to change one to y equals mx plus b, put that number down on your notebook paper and work it out. So I'm just going to do it in the box below, but you do this on your notebook paper. So you would write down the equation. And then we're going to change it to y equals x plus b. All we have to do on this one is subtract 3x from both sides. So I put negative y equals negative 3x plus 10. And then we're going to divide by negative 1. So we're left with y equals positive 3x minus 10. Okay? So now we have our two y equals mx plus b equations. We're going to take those two equations and go to our calculator. 10. So on our calculator, we're going to hit the y equals. If you have any in there, just clear them out. Hit the clear button. For number 2, we're going to type in negative 3x minus 10. Hit enter. Then we're going to type in the other equation. Y equals x plus 4. So x plus 4. And enter. Then we're going to hit the graph button. First, let's change our window. Our window has to be kind of a little bigger on this. So I want you to hit the window button. And then where it says x min, change that to, let's go negative 25. Hit enter. Move you down, change that to positive 25. Hit enter until you get to the y min. Change that to negative 25. And change the y max to positive 25. I think that should be big enough. If not, come back and change your window. Okay? All right, once you've changed your window, all you got to do is hit the graph button now. Wait for it to graph the two lines, and then we're going to find intersection. We've done this before. Find intersection, you're going to hit second trace, which is calculate, and then press 5. And then you're going to hit enter 3 times. 1, 2, 3. That gives you the intersection of those two lines. So what you're going to do is you're going to write down that's the wrong answer. So what I did is I put negative 3x instead of positive 3x. So that needs to be positive 3x minus 10 and x plus 4. Then graph. And then we'll do second trace. Second trace, which is calculate. And then 5. Enter, enter, enter. You should get 7, 11. Okay, then go back to your sheet, and you're going to write the coordinate 7, 11. You're going to do that for every one of these. To check yourself, you go to the actual color page. Is there a 7-11 on here? Right there in the middle. Okay, so you know you got that one right. If your coordinates aren't on the color page, then it's wrong. you will do this process for every one of those squares. Now, there will be some that say infinite solution and no solution. So let's talk about infinite solution. Infinite solution is when the equations have the same slope. So if I had y equals 1/2 x plus 2, and I'm sorry, they have the same slope. They're the same equation, but can be written differently. Actually, it'll be the same equation. So you may get one that is in standard form. So you'll have y equals, for example, 1/2 x plus 2, and then you may have one that says 1/2 x, negative 1/2 x plus y equals 2. Well, if you change this to y equals mx plus b, it looks like this one. So it's the same equation. So those lines are the same line. If I were to draw the second line, it would be on that line. So they intersect infinite amount of times. So that's infinite solution. Okay. No solution is where you have the same slope. So you may have y equals 1/2 x plus 2 and y equals 1/2 x minus 2. Same slope, different y-intercept. So on a that's a terrible coordinate plane. On a coordinate plane, 1/2 x plus 2 goes across up here. 1/2 x minus 2 goes across here. They have the same slope, so they will never cross. So that's no solution. Okay? All right. In the box, all you need are the equations that you change to y equals mx plus b and the intersection point. And then all your work is on notebook paper. And then do all these today and tomorrow. Start coloring on Friday. The whole thing will be due on Monday.
This is Patreon, and I approve this message.